Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about a viral video that has like 5 million views, and it is basically someone getting their car smashed as they are literally doing a delivery. I can only imagine how mad she was. Like, the video. Okay, let me just play the video. So here's the video. So basically, the driver is delivering a Doordash. She walks up. She's about to take a photo of the food. She hears her car get smashed, freaks out, as anyone probably would. Although, I don't think I would. I don't know. I have had good experiences with my car getting hit. Like, I don't know if you guys have gotten your car hit before, but when it's not your fault, you generally make some money. Or you don't make, maybe you don't make money. I've made money off my car getting hit before. You get paid, you get a rental car, which is not really a big deal to me. You get your car freshly painted, any of that good stuff. Sure, it's kind of a hassle because you have to go get like an estimate and all this other stuff. But when your car gets hit, like, there was a time I used to have this RSX Type S. It was basically a little race car. It was my first car that I had. By the way, if you're 17 years old, you should not buy a race car. Take it from my previous experiences. I got so many tickets. Anyways, so let's continue on the story. So basically, I had little dents and like little nicks and all that stuff from just being a stupid 17-year-old and like hitting like bumping in a, I don't know, I was backing out of my driveway one time and there was a pole sticking up and it ripped my freaking front bumper off. I was pissed because I just got my car. But anyways, so what happened later, and there was like so another time someone backed in my car and didn't stop or tell me that they hit my car, they just drove away. So then there was like another dent on my car. And anyways, within a period of 3 months, my car randomly got hit in the front, on the side, and I got rear-ended. None of them were too bad. I'm not saying it's a good thing when your car gets hit, but they were like not bad. There was no frame damage or anything, and my entire car got painted. Like, I got a fresh new paint job and new bumpers and all this stuff within a matter of 3 months. So, I mean, okay, if you have a brand new car and there is absolutely no damage on your car, there's no scratches or any of that, and your car gets hit, yeah, probably a good reason to be pissed. But not gonna lie, if this car got hit, like, I would be kind of happy depending on where it got hit. There's no scuffs or any of that stuff on the front bumper, but my back bumper, not gonna lie, when I was driving across the country to Tampa Bay, Florida, I had a pole that was sticking about a foot over the trailer in the front, and I made a turn too tight and the pole scratched my bumper. So I got some just kind of hoping someone rear ends me. Like, not too hard, just enough to where I get my whole bumper painted. But anyways, so this driver basically freaks out, but she completes the delivery, which is probably why the video got so many views. She got her car hit and she still managed to complete taking the photo, which isn't really that big of a deal. You can see how visibly pissed she is. But again, like, I don't think you should get, I don't know, I think I have a pretty good temper, but I don't freak out in situations like this. If someone hit my car, which someone did hit my other car, my Ford Focus, right before I sold it. So this girl was on her phone, clearly on her phone, because she just rear-ended me at a stop sign. And I just got my my rear bumper painted and stuff. But you do have options. Like, you could, never mind, I'm not gonna say that. But my friend basically painted my car for free, and I got to pocket some of that money because my old roommate basically owned a collision center. He's like, yeah, you could just keep the insurance money. I owe you. I think I gave him like a Razor street bike or something like that. Anyways, I'm just going on with stories, but I just thought it was like, well, okay, what do you think your guys' reaction would you freak out? Would you start yelling? Would you stay calm? Would you run over them and say, are you okay? I don't know. What would your guys' reaction to be if you guys were literally in the process of delivering an order and you hear your car get hit in the back? I think I would just like be like, all right, whatever. I don't know. I probably would be pissed if I didn't have good experiences with my car getting hit. How weird does that sound that I've had good experiences? Like I would give them a good Yelp review. Getting hit by cars. Anyways, that's a stupid saying. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing to the channel and also smash that like button for me. We will see you guys in the next one. Drive safe, don't get hit by cars, and make that money. Peace.